China is tightening its grip on the country's real estate market again. And they say that this time it's meant to root out corruption. Plus, we're going to find out why Silicon Valley isn't the only hotbed for technology and startups. But first, we begin with an anniversary, a birthday, a celebration of sorts. The Panama Canal celebrates its 100 years since its opening today. Happy birthday. Marching bands were out in force. Traditional dancers were twirling up a storm. There was even a cake shaped like the canal itself, all to commemorate the massive engineering project that changed the global economy exactly 100 years ago. Jim Spellman has more on the modern-day challenges to this centuries-old engineering marvel.
The Panama Canal.
It was an audacious idea at the turn of the 20th century. Build an 80-kilometer canal across Central America, drastically cutting shipping times and saving fuel costs by avoiding the long haul around South America. 100 years later, the Panama Canal faces new challenges, but remains a strategic passage for international shipping and commerce.
Here, we've been able to manage for 100 years with the present locks by incorporating new technology. The canal today is not the same, and it will not be the same in the future.
More than 1 million transits later, it is still an important shipping lane, but times and ships have changed. Now, a $5 billion expansion project meant to allow larger, more modern vessels to pass has been delayed by labor disputes and cost overruns. And the canal faces potential competition from a proposed Nicaraguan canal to the north, backed by a Chinese investment group.
We're going forward with this project. We're going to continue pushing ourselves, but we can't ignore, and we have always had on our radar, what is happening in Nicaragua. Because if it happens, and it's not going to happen tomorrow, a canal through Nicaragua will definitely compete with the Panama Canal.
When the expansion is completed, the Panama Canal will be able to accommodate so-called post-Panamax ships carrying 2.5 times the cargo of the current limit, especially important for trade between the United States and China. The project is now expected to be completed in 2015. The canal contributes about $1 billion a year to the Panamanian government through transit fees and much more indirectly to its economy.
Panama City has the vigor of a world economy, and its tourism is rising. Its trade is impressive, and thanks to the canal, without it, Panama would be nothing.
The Panama Canal not only makes shipping cheaper, it expands markets for all sorts of perishable items. Bananas from Ecuador arrive fresh in Europe because the Panama Canal cuts the journey by 13 days. Jim Spellman, CCTV, Washington.